Hey everyone, today we have this tricky math question. When you fail to solve this and you have 10 seconds to solve, your time's up. Now I am going to solve this. 2 factorial times bracket 2 cube minus 2, and this is divided by 2 minus 2. So this is our question. So we will follow your PEMDAS. Okay, here we can write PEMDAS, or you can say order of operation. First we have to solve this parenthesis part, which is 2 cube minus 2, and 2 cube is nothing but 2 times 2 times 2, which equals to 8, and 8 minus 2, which equals to 6. So we can simply write 6 on this place. So we will write 2 factorial times this next 6 divided by 2 minus 2. Now again, we have to solve this part. 6 divided by 2 will equals to 3. So we can write 2 factorial times 3 minus 2. Now here we will solve next 2 factorial. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 times 1, which equals to 2 here. Okay, so we have to write 2 times 3 minus 2, and here we can see there are two operations. First one is multiplication and second is subtraction, and multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So we will do multiplication first. 2 times 3, which equals to 6 here, minus 2, and 6 minus 2, which equals to 4, which is the right answer. And try to solve this math question. I will solve. This is actually a bonus question. So let's erase this first, so that we will solve. Okay, it's done. Now let's select which color. Let's take blue. Okay, so here we can see there is also a parenthesis part, which is 10 minus 4, which will give result 6 here. So we can write 3 times 6 divided by 2 plus 1. Now here three operations are there: the multiplication, division, and addition. And as we know, multiplication and division have the same priority, and we have to solve left to right. Okay, so first we will do this multiplication part, which is 3 times 6, which equals to 18 divided by 2 plus 1. Now we will operate this part, which is 18 divided by 2, which give result 9, and 9 plus 1, which equals to 10 here, which is the right answer. And try to solve all this math question which are appearing on the screen. And thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this.